There's a place that you can visit on campus called Campus Wellbeing, where there are a number of services that are there to help students with many different difficulties, concerns, and to help students with any support needs they might have. Please come and talk to us if you are having any legal problems. Although we're not lawyers ourselves, we can actually help to put you in contact with legal services in the community. The sorts of things that students have come to us in the past about would be legal matters to do with car accidents, traffic offences, employment rights, fraud, scams, problems with the police, or violence and assault charges.
If you're having difficulties with your money or finances or managing your money, please come and talk to us at the Welfare Service. We've helped students previously with budgeting strategies, preparing them for finding work, or also helping them if there's been a crisis or some kind of an emergency. So if there's any difficulties with your money or your finances, please come and talk to us.
We can provide you with information, resources and facts about anything to do with relationships, sex or staying healthy. Also, if you'd like to talk to a doctor or a nurse, we can help you make contact with the doctors and nurses on campus.
There are laws in Australia that protect people who are renting in accommodation, including international students. If you find that you're having problems with your landlord, please come and talk to us and we'll work with you to help solve those problems. We'd suggest that when you're going to look at a premises or a place to rent for the first time that you go with a friend or a fellow student. Also in Australia, if you're giving money for something, for a product or a service or even accommodation, it's expected that a receipt will be provided. So we'd suggest that a receipt would have on it the date of the transaction, the amount of money that's involved, also what that money has been given for, whether it's for a bond or a deposit, both use the same as terms, or whether it's for rent, and also it's signed by the landlord. We'd also suggest that if you notice when you go into the place that anything's broken or damaged, that you make a note of that or you take a photo, just so that further down the track you can show that you weren't responsible for any of the damage or breakages when you actually leave the premises. We'd also say if there's anything you're not sure about or something doesn't feel right, please come and talk to us first or at any time during your accommodation period, and we'll work with you to try and solve any problems that you're having.
Campus Wellbeing Services are all located together on level 2 of the Lincoln Building. The Lincoln Building is also known as Building C8A. Students have the choice of either phoning us or emailing us, or they can have an appointment with a welfare officer. To phone us directly, you can call 9850-6496, or if you'd like to make an appointment or check to see if we're available for a drop-in appointment, you can call 9850-7497. Our email address, that's welfare@mq.edu.au.